In this video I will show you how I manage to adjust my non-adjustable shoelace to preventing my toes touching on end of the leg shoes. I was visiting my friend yesterday and we decided to play pickleball. It was not comfortable because I couldn't tie these shoelaces. Now I'm gonna show you how to make it tight, because I like to have this is tight. On this case my leg does not go on the van forward, it stays at the back side. I purchased this kind of buckles from AliExpress. Actually it's very good, very nice. You push the button, it comes apart, adjust, and I will install it and I will show you how it works. Instead of installing the buckle over here, I installed it there, and you can adjust because this is actually lace is good one and works very well. Actually my feet does not slip on the forward. It's very easy to install. I will show you step by step. And anytime if you don't like that buckle over here, you can reverse this thing to make it over here. You can just take out the laces and put that connection over here. It's very easy, but I think it looks good and comfortable. Let's see how I can make sure you are comfortable. So, after that, put here. Okay, and you have to push this button. All done. Nice and comfy. And this was extra. Good luck.